What is this? Cat. What is the first sound when I say k, a, t? What is the first sound? What is the first sound? K. S. Search here k. K letter. Keep it here. What is the middle sound when I say k, a, t? What is the middle sound? What is the middle sound? Search here. What is the a? Keep it. Okay. What is the last sound when I say k, a, t? What is the last sound? What is the last sound when I say k, a, t? T. Search it. Place it correctly. So you have to touch. Okay. What is this? What is the first sound when I say b, a, g? What is the first sound? B. Search b. Yes, keep it here. Okay. Okay. What is the middle sound when I say b, a, g? Search there. Here. What is the last sound when I say b, a, g? G. Search it. There. Place it correctly. No. How you write small letter? Like this. No? What is this? What is the first sound when I say t, p? T. Search here. Where is the t? T. There. T. Take the t. Yeah. You replace it. Place it correctly. Is it t? No? No. So, what is the middle sound when I say t, a, p? What is the middle sound? A. Search it. A, a. What is the last sound when I say t, a, p? P. Search it. P. Yes, take p. See there. Nonsense. Ile liter ye. Ile liter ke. Ile liter alidna lida. ದನ ಕಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಯ್ದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತ ನಿನಗ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ದನ ಕಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀಯ ಊರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸೇ ಹ ಆ ಟ ಸರಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹ ಸರಿ Yes. What is the middle sound when I say h, a, t? Yes. See here. Here. What is the last sound when I say at?